Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today is an update of the staircase that we did, I think, December. So we were called to come and check out, about this staircase. This is what someone did for one of our subscribers here. They saw what we did and they thought that they are carpenter and their mason can also do it, but it didn't go well. They tried to use it, but yeah, it wasn't really fitting in the space, and also they didn't really use enough cement. That's why you could see those uh, mold, the black thing around it. So it wasn't really good. So they called us to come and correct it, and then immediately we went with the team, and we have to break everything down. There was no way to go around it. So we started with the carpentry, and Efo was there to do his thing. Then the steel bender also came in to do his thing. So at the end of today's video, we will see the end results. So just stay with us, so that we take you through the process. Just in case you want something like this, you have a small space and you're trying to create a staircase, either zigzag staircase, whatever. We are here. We've done it on the channel several times. You can go through all the project that we're doing, and then everybody, and with the kind of the staircase design that we have for the person. If you have your own team, we can also come and educate them, teach them how to do it. We are here to share ideas and also learn. So if you're interested, just send me email, or that's my WhatsApp down there. You can WhatsApp me.
Yeah, quick update. This is how it have come. The casting is on. It's standing. You can see in a column under it. It goes direct to the top.
And now we start removing the staircase. This is how it looks like. Now we are packing the wood from here to the other side. This is how our step looks like. So now we remove everything finished. So now we finish removing everything. Now they can use it anytime.
This type of staircase creates a lot of space for you. Also, you could see there's so many space because we don't have any pillar underneath. This is going to stand strong. You can check in my most of the project that we're doing. We have so many types. So if you have any difficulties with your staircase, if you just want us to just come and help and just put it up, we are here to get it done. Any shape, any form, just send us the picture of what you have in mind, or just let us come and have a look at the space, and then we can advise you which one will fit. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video for someone who might need help with his staircase. And I will see you in my next episode. Leke tui.